went into healthcare because healthcare called us to think we can make an impact, we can improve the health of others. I think our traditional systems threaten that. Our traditional delivery models have disconnected our teams from the reason why they went into this as their passion and their calling.
There's an interconnection between all the work that we do, and it's really about safety, it's about quality, it's about experience. And so combining them into one single platform and outfitting that with an engaged workforce and really supporting it through principles of high reliability, that allows us to really accelerate and amplify our impact.
Clinicians are vital to the process, right? Because patients do choose healthcare because of the doctor, right? They want to come in for the physician, but it's not just the physician. If you have a grumpy patient service representative that's making the appointment, and we actually have lost patients because that person is a barrier, then it doesn't matter how great the physician is. So we are starting from start to finish with that very first phone call, actually all the way out to the billing team. So that's another silo that has traditionally been in their own space, but now we're rolling them in as well.
There is nothing more dissatisfying or disheartening that we can do for our staff members at the front line is to give them goals that don't make any sense for that patient that day that they're caring for. So we work extremely hard to combine those quality, safety, and experience goals to those leading metrics that really matter to our patients and caregivers at the sharp end.
I think doing the same thing every day and not being able to control and have input on solutions and problems leads to burnout. I think being empowered to do the right thing, to really make that impact on patients and families, and for team members that know we listen, we care, and we lead change based on their ideas, that's the place that you want to work, and that's the place where you want to get care.
When we're thinking about transformation, it is a multi-year progression. The alignment building and the awareness of what is our shared goal as an organization, that is important in that first year. Then you start to get into the next wave of what are those shared goals that we have based on that definition? How do we start to talk about this and set our goals accordingly? And how do we have metrics that we're reporting on and that we're monitoring to tell us if we're truly moving the needle or not?
The main thing is that we're doing it together. We do it with a culture that is about improvement, and it's not always about getting to top decile tomorrow, but it's about improving together on things that matter most.
We've got to do things differently than we have been doing in the past and putting the patient in the center of everything that we do. This is the kind of service that they want. They want convenience, they want appointment times when they can get in, and so we've got to keep up with that change.
Transforming is not an option. Transforming is what our communities expect of us. We need to figure out in every segment of our business, how do we do that? And how do we do that in a way that recognizes they've trusted us with this opportunity?